Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Sonny. In this video, I will talk to you about modifiers. So modifiers are words that people just add to your main search phrase, to your main keyword, when they're trying to find a more relevant search or a more relevant, let's say, business or a company through a search engine. For example, carpet cleaner and then best carpet cleaner. Roof repair company changes to best roof repair company, and so forth. So these words can help you change short tail or mid tail key phrases into long tail key phrases. Okay, so I'll give you some ideas. Of course, there's quite a few words out there. We can't get into everything, but one of them is best. A lot of people use the word best when they're looking for a certain service. Best HVAC repair company, best basement remodeling company, best carpet cleaner, best mold removal company, and so forth. You get the idea. So you can always use the word best in conjunction with your main search phrase to turn that into a long tail key phrase. So here's another one, local. A lot of people add the word local to their search phrase. Same thing, near me or near, carpet cleaning company near me, water damage restoration company near me, roof repair company near me, and so forth. So these are the words that you can use to change your short tail key phrase into a long tail search phrase, especially in the beginning when you start working with SEO, to get better results, to get more relevant results, okay, to get pre-qualified prospects to your website, to get people who are more serious to hire you for your services to your website. And what you can always do is brainstorm. This is not a modifier word here. I just want to mention it here. So as we go through all these different tools, make sure you talk to your customers, how they found you, what they typed in Google, and so forth. Talk to your team members, talk to your staff, talk to your employees. Just ask around how people are finding your website, or what your employees think, how they think you are getting business, how they think people are finding your website. It's always a good thing to ask your technicians, because they're the ones who are going to your customers' houses. They're the ones who are performing the services. So ask them, hey, did you talk to the customer? Did he tell you how he found us? And so forth. So you'll keep coming up with new search phrases and keep working on your SEO strategies. Like we saw in the previous video, 20% of all search phrases on Google are typed or looked for the first time. 20% of all search phrases. So no matter how many keywords you find with these tools, there will always be new ones coming up soon. Keep talking, keep listening, keep asking, so you can continue to find the latest and the highest converting key phrases for your website, for your on-page and off-page optimization strategies. Okay? And I'll see you in the next video.